Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive essentials with a focus on the best car jack. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend DIY enthusiast, finding the right jack can make all the difference. Stick around to discover top picks, expert reviews, and handy tips. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get rolling. Number 1. ProLift T Hydraulic 1.5-ton trolley jack car lift with blow-molded storage case. This orange powerhouse packs a punch with its impressive 3,000 pounds capacity, making it a reliable companion for any car owner or professional mechanic. The hydraulic system ensures smooth and efficient lifting, while the sturdy construction provides peace of mind during use. What sets this jack apart is its convenient blow-molded storage case, keeping everything organized and ready for action. Whether you're changing tires in your garage or handling repairs in a shop, the ProLift T trolley jack delivers on performance and convenience, making it a must-have tool for any automotive enthusiast. Big Red Tauren hydraulic trolley service/floor jack with blow-mold carrying storage case. This powerhouse tool boasts a hefty 1.5-ton, 3,000 pounds, capacity, making it a reliable companion for any automotive enthusiast or professional mechanic. Its hydraulic system ensures smooth lifting and lowering with minimal effort, while the sturdy construction promises durability for years to come. The included blow-mold carrying storage case adds convenience and portability, allowing you to take this essential tool wherever you go. Whether you're changing tires or performing maintenance, the Big Red Tauren jack is a must-have addition to any garage or workshop. Say goodbye to struggles and hello to efficiency with this top-notch floor jack. Number 3. AMVIA Car Jack Kit, a must-have for every vehicle owner. With a robust 3-ton, 6,600 pounds, scissor jack, this kit ensures you're always prepared for roadside emergencies. Whether you're driving an SUV or a sedan, its universal design fits seamlessly, offering convenience and peace of mind. The portable nature of this tire jack toolkit means you can take it anywhere your travels lead. But what truly sets it apart is its heavy-duty material, guaranteeing durability and reliability when you need it most. And let's not forget the included lug wrench, making tire changes a breeze. Say goodbye to roadside stress with the AMVIA Car Jack Kit. It's your reliable companion on the road. Number 4. Reliance Electric Car Floor Jack 3-ton, the ultimate all-in-one solution for effortless tire changes and vehicle repairs. This 12V scissor lift jack is a game-changer for sedans and SUVs, equipped with double saddles and a remote for hassle-free operation. Its robust construction ensures reliable support for up to 3 tons, making it perfect for emergency situations or routine maintenance. The comprehensive toolkit included provides everything you need for a swift wheel change or repair. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to convenience with the Reliance Electric Car Floor Jack 3-ton, your go-to solution for vehicle maintenance on the go. Number 5. Tri-Helper Car Jack Hydraulic Jack, a game-changer for every car owner. This innovative 5-ton electric car jack stand is a must-have for sedans and SUVs alike. With its 3-in-1 functionality, it effortlessly lifts vehicles for tire changes and roadside emergencies, ensuring safety and convenience on the go. Equipped with an integrated tire pump, it offers a comprehensive solution for all your lifting needs. Its hydraulic system guarantees reliable performance, making it a dependable companion in critical situations. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to effortless lifting with the Tri-Helper Car Jack Hydraulic Jack. It's time to elevate your roadside assistance game. In conclusion, selecting the best car jack is crucial for safety and efficiency. Whether you prioritize portability, lifting capacity, or durability, there's a perfect jack out there for you. We've explored top contenders in this video, aiding you in making an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video for more helpful content.